Hello, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your Shopify template. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is download your Shopify theme. Upload the file, drag it in, upload it. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look when you first upload the theme. So Shopify themes are just the colors and the structure of the website. So you still have to go in and add images. I wish there was a way that images save, but you have to always upload your own image and your own product. So once you upload it to here, it's gonna look like this. Don't be alarmed, that's how it's supposed to look. So everything, even your logo, has to be uploaded, but this is going to be an easy breezy walkthrough. So this is basically the shell. You just upload the shell, and now we're about to put together the rest of it really quick. So the first thing we're going to do is start with the logo. If you have your own logo, then use your logo. If not, we're going to go back to our thank you page and find the logo. Edit template, make this one transparent. And then we are going to go here, go to logo, and drag in the logo. And if you want to make it bigger or smaller, you do that right here. You can also view it from the mobile view. Okay, and then we're moving down. So now we got the banner. This is the banner. Gonna go back to our thank you page and get the banner. And download it. Okay, and then just drag that here. And there you go. Save it. And then we're going to move on to, and remember, you can get really creative. You can make it your own. You don't have to use this exact banner. You want to make it your own. Okay, so here, it's going to come down here and write what you want. Link this to your collection. We're actually going to add our products. So we're going to go to products, add product. Got to do your quantity, all of that. I'm not going to get really too deep into how to add products. You should know how to do that. If not, let me know and I'll, make another video. But this is mostly just design. So, the pictures. So we just go back to our thank you page and we go to the product pictures. And you can go in and change the name, the colors, etc. Swipe out your logo. And yeah. So yep, just save this as a transparent image. And then once you get everything together, save. Actually, you want to create a collection if you haven't done so already. You can name it whatever you want. Just make sure that you body butters And then you make sure you add in the product. In the products, you can add an image to it. So when you go to the collections, it'll have an image. But for now, we're not going to have an image. And then we are going to go back to products. And we're just going to duplicate this. Makes it easier, but make sure you have the first product you make, you have everything right in here. So once you duplicate it, all of the settings are right. So once you duplicate it, you don't have to go back in and change everything. So the next one is going to be this one. We're just going to duplicate active. I forgot to put in the descriptions in the images. But you can go in and add these images. They will be right here. Just make sure you save it as a transparent image. And so after that, we are going to make 2 more products. Luminous skin. We're gonna do golden hour. And this is just me quickly showing you how to do it. So we're not gonna make this perfect. Okay, we're gonna go back to, actually we're gonna go back to products and collections. Make sure that we have all of these products in here, and we do. And then we're gonna go back to our online store. And we're gonna edit theme, wrong theme. And then we are going to link these products. And then here we're going to link, that's what I was saying. Make sure that you link this to the collection you want it to be. Then right here, you just want to, your hero product, this is your best seller, you want to put this one right here. For product, we have it as oil. You can have it as whatever you want. So we're going to go to the oil website, oil product. I'm going to show you how to do that. So here's the oil. Okay, so it's going to take you here. This, copy this. You can do this different ways. You can save this and put it on there, or you can just copy it and paste it. So we can't use this part. We gotta just have these 2 parts. And you can, you know, make it your own for your brand. And then we just go ahead and duplicate that real quick just to show you what to do. And then after you have all of these 4 pages together, you want to keep these the same, and you want to download this as a gift, all 3 pages in transparent background. Go back to our products. We're going to make sure we save everything. And we actually have to create this product. This product is going to be, I wish they haven't had a phone to call you up. $10, quantity, etc. Save. We're gonna go back to edit theme, and we are going to add that product, replace it, and here it is. Save that. Also here, if you want to change this, you just write in your announcement and you can have it link to anywhere you need it to go. Okay, and then we got this section. You want to go ahead and write your story about your brand, and then we're going to go back to the thank you page and go to this banners again. And here they are right here. This is her. To be just saved. Do not make it transparent. Just keep it how it is. And then we're going to drag this in here. So when you look at it, it should have this effect. Now, one thing that we need to do, if you want to have more pages, like an about page, etc., you have to go to exit. We're gonna go to pages. Under online store, go to pages. We're gonna add a page. We're gonna add an about page, about us, visible, and then you can go to content, menus, your main menu. It should have a main menu. I think this is the main menu. And then we're gonna add shopping orders, about us. I don't think that customer account main menu. Let me see, this don't look like the about the main menu, but we're about to find out. Home catalog contact. This is the main menu. I'm not understanding why this didn't come up. Here we go. Weird. But okay, so we'll add about us, pages, about us, save. Now everything should be good. Edit theme. And there we go. About us will come up like this, and you can customize it and put your images and etc. Now, for this part, you want to put your logo again. You can have a different logo or that logo. I actually have a different logo here, so it can look right. And we're gonna go back to the logo. This one. Download, transparent, current. Okay, and then close down, save that, and there we go. Save that. And your home page is done. Now we can move on to the catalog. It's just a simple catalog. You can add an image here if you want. Image, banner, image with text. Etc. And then contact, you can add an image here too. And about us. Product page is already set. So that is how you edit this template. Oh, make sure that you change your social media tags, and that'll be over here, social media, and then you just add your URLs. If you want to change the colors, then the way that you do that is you click on the section, and this section has scheme 1, this section has scheme 2 and scheme 3. So there's different color schemes for each section. So if you want to go in and change scheme 1, then you just edit and you can turn this different colors, and it's broken down so you're not just changing the whole website, you're going one by one. That's actually a cute color. But yeah, so then you want to go here. So the color scheme, the menu color scheme, so just go in and experiment, take your time and choose the colors you want. These have, so for example, let's see, the background is this color, okay. And then if you don't like that, you just go back. Next section, change the color if you want, and etc. Okay, what else is there? That is pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, comment below. Hit that like and subscribe button for more videos. And I hope you have a very successful launch and business. Thank you. Peace.